Hi blessed people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a pre-poo treatment on my hair, which has been this way for the past 1 week. You can see how much it's dried and tangled. So I'll be doing this pre-poo treatment. It's an abbreviation for pre-shampoo treatment, which basically is an oil treatment applied to the hair before shampooing or conditioning, which means you can either use an oil or a shampoo. If you use not an oil or a conditioner, if you use a conditioner, make sure it's lightweight so that it doesn't weigh the hair down. And this treatment prevents the shampoo from stripping the hair off of its moisture and the natural oils that are always there in the hair. So I hope you enjoy this and learn a thing or two. Please, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, then hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also comment in the comment section, give me a thumbs up, and feel free to share. So first, as you've seen, I've taken down my hair, which was in a puff, and as you see, it's so very tangled and it's kind of breaking. Like, my hair is just a mess right now, so I'll begin the process. So for this, I'll use my water. This time I use plain water, but this time it's warm water. I don't use cold water. The essence of this is to ensure, like, to make the cuticles of the hair to kind of open up so as to receive the oil that I'll be applying thereafter, because the warm water helps in opening up the cuticles. So because my hair is because my hair is so very dry, I'll be so generous with the amount of water that I'll put in my hair. I'll just spritz it randomly throughout my hair, focusing more at the tips because that's where the oldest hair are at. So I'll go ahead, do that, and just work in the water in the hair, and make sure every coat is stranded. Is Sorry guys, make sure every strand is coated. So itchy. Another importance of this procedure is to prevent hygral fatigue, and this occurs due to the repeated and the excessive swelling of the hair cuticle during the washing process. That is, during washing, when you are continually wetting your hair, and you are continually wetting your hair during washing, so there is something that will tend to happen known as hygral fatigue. So if you coat your hair using oil before the shampoo treatment, will prevent this, and this has a number of benefits as we'll talk about it later on. So let's just go ahead, work in the water, then go to our oil. You can use any oil of preference. You can even mix oils, but for me I used coconut oil, and I kind of made it. Forgive me for that, guys. It ain't easy doing these voiceovers, but a girl is trying. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm only using coconut oil, and I've made sure I've heated it so it's hot oil treatment instead of just using the cold oil. So I'll go ahead and just pour the oil throughout the strands of my hair. I'll be generous with the oil. I'll not limit the oil, because this is the essence of using this one. So just be generous with your oil. Just make sure it coats each and every strand again, and yeah, just do as you see me doing there. And guys, I'm really struggling here, and it's a mess. It's so messy. It's such a messy procedure. The oils go everywhere, so I'd rather you do this in the shower. can see me there trying to wrap this shawl around my neck. And guys, please forgive me, there's so much background noise here, but I got to do what I have to do. There's no other way. It's at night, but a lot of noise. Anyways, so after having that I'll now section my hair a little bit, because by now it's a bit manageable because of the water and the oil that I've put in my hair. It's a bit manageable, but not so manageable. You can see that it's not as clean. So after sectioning the hair into half, I'll go ahead section again so that I get four groups. And guys, remember to be gentle while doing this. Don't break any hairs. Be gentle while removing the knots and kinks, the tangles. So I'll go ahead, take one section and apply oil again to it, and I'll focus mostly on the tips. Make sure it's saturated with the oils. Then just working the oil to coat all the strands, as you see me doing there. Also ensure the tip also gets the benefits of the oil. After that, I'll just take my hair tie and tie my hair away, then work on the other sections. So I'll come back after doing all the other 4 sections and talk to you about the benefits of doing this on your hair. So I hope you enjoy. Please keep watching to the end, and I'll see you. So guys, I'm back, all my 4 sections of hair done. So after this, I'll just take a plastic bag. You can use a shower cap for this, and I'll just be with it overnight. I'll leave it overnight. But if you're doing this technique during the day, it's also okay. Just make sure you sit under a dryer or under the sun so the oil can infuse into the strands of hair. So for the benefits of doing this pre-poo treatment, one is that it restores moisture to dry hair and the scalp. I hope you can see the difference. It's not so much, but at least now my hair is kind of moisturized, and at least it's not as tangled as much. The tangles have broken off. So yeah, that's one of the benefits of the pre-poo. Another benefit is that this treatment helps in the detangling of hair, because since we've seen that first it helps the hair to, like, it kind of restores the moisture in the hair and scalp, so the detangling process will kind of be easier. So you won't have as many knots and kinks. They'll be there, yes, but they won't be as stubborn as when you're working on dry hair. Again, another benefit, number 3, is that it makes the hair kind of shinier and vibrant. The oil that is put in the hair brings back the shine to the hair, so it will kind of be shiny. And it also decreases the chances of breakage while you are detangling. So those are the benefits. And yeah, so after putting on my plastic cap, I'm just going to wrap with a head wrap. Don't mind how I'm wrapping my hair. I'm just going to slip off with it and continue with my wash routine tomorrow. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and stay safe, and let's keep growing our hairs.